Frogs, fascinating amphibians that have leaped through millions of years of evolution. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in an incredible variety of habitats, from dense rainforests to dry deserts, from high mountains to lowland marshes. Frogs have adapted to it all. There are over 7,000 known species of frogs, and scientists continue to discover more every year. What makes frogs so special? For one, their life cycle is a perfect example of metamorphosis. They begin life as eggs, laid in water or damp environments, often in clusters. Within days or weeks, the eggs hatch into tadpoles, tiny creatures with tails and gills, perfectly suited to an aquatic life. Over time, tadpoles grow legs, lose their tails, develop lungs, and emerge from the water as adult frogs. This transformation symbolizes change and adaptability in nature. Frogs also play a crucial role in ecosystems. They are both predator and prey, eating insects, spiders, and even small fish, while also providing food for birds, snakes, and mammals. In this way, frogs help keep insect populations in check and maintain balance in food chains. Frogs come in an astonishing range of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some species, like the Goliath frog of West Africa, can grow over 30 centimeters long and weigh more than 3 kilograms. Others, like the tiny Pedophrene mauensis from Papua New Guinea, are smaller than a fingernail. Their colors are just as diverse, from bright green and blue to dazzling reds and yellows, often used as camouflage or warning signals to predators. Many frogs also have remarkable calls. On warm nights, the air can be filled with a chorus of croaks, trills, and whistles, as males sing to attract mates or defend territory. Each species has its own unique call, and some can be heard over great distances. Frogs also have some extraordinary adaptations. Some, like the wood frog, can survive being frozen solid in winter and thaw out in spring. Others, like the flying frog, use webbed feet to glide between trees. And some, like the poison dart frogs, produce potent toxins that deter predators, a vivid reminder of the dangers that bright colors can signal. Sadly, many frog species today are under threat. Habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, invasive species, and diseases have caused dramatic declines in frog populations worldwide. In some places, entire species have disappeared before they could even be properly studied. Conservationists are working hard to protect frogs, creating reserves, breeding programs, and raising awareness about their plight. Why is saving frogs important? Because they are indicators of environmental health. When frogs are thriving, it often means the ecosystem is healthy too. Their skin, which is permeable, makes them especially sensitive to pollutants and changes in their surroundings. By protecting frogs, we also protect countless other species and the environments they inhabit. In many cultures, frogs hold symbolic meaning associated with rain, fertility, transformation, and even luck. They remind us of nature's beauty and resilience, but also its fragility. Next time you see a frog, whether in a pond, a forest, or your backyard, take a moment to appreciate this incredible creature. From their humble beginnings as tadpoles to their vital roles in the web of life, frogs continue to enchant and inspire us. They are tiny guardians of our ecosystems, and their songs still echo through the night, even as challenges mount. Let's ensure that future generations can also hear those songs and witness the marvel of frogs for years to come. Frogs, ancient, adaptable, and essential. A testament to nature's creativity and a call to action for all of us to protect them. For in saving the frogs, we help save ourselves and the planet we share. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the wonderful world of frogs. Welcome to this fascinating introduction to one of nature's most powerful and majestic birds, the eagle. Eagles have inspired humans for thousands of years, symbolizing strength, courage, and freedom. With their sharp eyesight, strong talons, and incredible flying ability, eagles rule the skies. There are more than 60 species of eagles around the world, most of them found in Eurasia and Africa. The bald eagle, however, is most famous in North America, where it is also the national bird of the United States. Eagles live in diverse habitats, from mountains and forests to deserts and coastal regions. One of the eagle's most remarkable features is its eyesight. An eagle can spot its prey from as far as 2 miles away, thanks to its exceptional vision. They have large eyes and many more light-detecting cells than humans. This allows them to see even the smallest movement on the ground while flying high above. Their powerful wings make them excellent flyers. Some species can soar for hours, using thermal currents to glide without flapping their wings. They can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour when diving to catch prey. Eagles are carnivorous hunters. They primarily feed on fish, small mammals, and other birds. Their strong, curved beaks and sharp talons help them grab and tear their food with ease. Many eagles are also known to steal food from other birds, a behavior called kleptopathy. Some eagles, like the harpy eagle, are so powerful they can hunt monkeys and sloths in the rainforest canopy. Eagles are also known for their impressive nests, called eyries. These nests are often built high in trees or on cliffs, providing safety for their young. A single nest can be reused and added to 4 years, becoming huge, sometimes over 2 meters wide. Eagles are monogamous and often mate for life. They perform spectacular courtship displays in the air, including dives, spirals, and even locking talons. The female usually lays 1 to 3 eggs, and both parents take turns caring for the chicks. Young eagles, called eaglets, grow quickly and learn to fly after a few months. Despite their strength, many eagles face threats from humans. Habitat loss, pollution, and hunting have caused some species to become endangered. Conservation efforts around the world aim to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. The comeback of the bald eagle in North America is one of the greatest conservation success stories. Through banning harmful pesticides and protecting nesting areas, bald eagle populations have recovered. Eagles continue to play a vital role in their ecosystems as top predators. They help maintain the balance of nature by controlling populations of prey animals. In many cultures, eagles hold spiritual or symbolic importance. For Native American tribes, they are messengers between humans and the Creator. In ancient Rome and other empires, eagles were symbols of power and victory. Even today, they inspire people with their grace, power, and determination. Watching an eagle soar through the sky is a reminder of nature's beauty and strength. Whether perched high on a tree or gliding effortlessly, the eagle remains the undisputed king of the skies. Thank you for joining us to learn about these magnificent birds. We hope you are inspired to appreciate and protect eagles in the wild places they call home. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky. You never know when you might spot an eagle soaring above. Welcome to the fascinating world of whales, the gentle giants of the ocean. Whales are among the largest and most remarkable creatures on Earth. They belong to a group of marine mammals known as cetaceans, which also includes dolphins and porpoises. Unlike fish, whales are warm-blooded, breathe air through their lungs, and give birth to live young. There are 2 main types of whales, baleen whales and toothed whales. Baleen whales, like the blue whale and humpback whale, have comb-like plates to filter small fish and plankton from the water. Toothed whales, like sperm whales and orcas, have teeth and hunt larger prey, such as squid and fish. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth. It can grow over 30 meters long and weigh more than 180 tons, truly colossal. Despite their enormous size, whales are graceful swimmers and can travel great distances. Many species migrate thousands of kilometers each year between feeding and breeding grounds. Whales are highly intelligent animals, known for their complex communication and social behavior. They produce a variety of sounds, songs, clicks, and whistles to communicate and navigate. The haunting songs of humpback whales can be heard for hundreds of kilometers underwater. Whales play a vital role in maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems, helping to regulate marine food chains. Their movements stir nutrients in the water, which supports the growth of phytoplankton, the base of the ocean's food web. Sadly, many whale species have been threatened by human activities, such as hunting, pollution, and climate change. Commercial whaling in the past drove some populations to the brink of extinction. Thanks to international protection efforts, some species have made a slow but hopeful recovery. Today, whales continue to face dangers, including entanglement in fishing gear and noise pollution. It is our responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures for future generations. When you see a whale breaching or hear its song, you witness a glimpse of nature's wonder. Whales remind us of the vastness of the ocean and the importance of preserving it. They inspire awe, respect, and a sense of connection to the natural world. So let's celebrate whales, not just as amazing animals, but as symbols of the ocean's beauty and resilience. Thank you for joining us to learn about these incredible ocean giants. Together, we can help ensure that whales continue to thrive in the seas they call home. The story of whales is a story of survival, mystery, and hope. Let's keep that story alive for generations to come. Monkeys are fascinating creatures that belong to the primate family, sharing close relations with humans. There are over 260 species of monkeys living in a variety of habitats across the world, from tropical rainforests to savannas and even snowy mountains. Monkeys have adapted to many environments. Monkeys are generally divided into two groups: Old World monkeys and New World monkeys. Old World monkeys are found in Africa and Asia, while New World monkeys live in Central and South America. One of their most notable traits is intelligence. Monkeys use tools, solve problems, and even communicate with each other. Some monkeys, like capuchins, have been observed using sticks to extract insects or crack open nuts. Social behavior is very important for monkeys. They live in groups called troops or bands. These groups help them find food, protect each other, and raise their young. Monkeys communicate using a variety of sounds, gestures, and even facial expressions. Some species have loud calls that can be heard miles away, warning others of danger. Their diet is just as diverse as their habitats. Monkeys eat fruits, leaves, insects, and sometimes small animals. Many monkeys are also excellent climbers, leaping gracefully from tree to tree. Their tails often help them balance, and in some species, like spider monkeys, the tail is prehensile. Unfortunately, many monkey species face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these intelligent and social animals. Monkeys are not just important for ecosystems, but also offer valuable insights into our own evolution. By studying monkeys, scientists have learned more about human behavior, communication, and development. These remarkable creatures continue to inspire wonder and curiosity in people around the world. By protecting monkeys, we also preserve the rich biodiversity of our planet. Let's do our part to ensure that monkeys can thrive for generations to come.